let's now have a look at the Sanag S6S, as you can see just here. Now, as you can see, true wireless earbuds. Now, they've got the clip design as well on these, which I really, really like. I'm going to go and take a look and have a look at these just now, a bit more detail. So let's go and open up the box and take a look at them. So they said they come with Bluetooth 5.4 and high-res audio. I haven't actually tested that yet in the review. Take them out there. Now, as you guys can see, we're doing it live as we speak to you. So to start with, they feel like they look really small as well, which is great. So nice little compact pair of earbuds just there. There you go, pebble shape there. USB-C charging on the back. And take a look. And there they are just there. So they look like lovely little clip earbuds. So you can see they're the earbuds just there. Now, don't they look really, really nice? Now, so each of these weighs 3.4 grams. And I love the shiny look there and the Sanag label on the front there. And there's the, see, they basically sit over your ear. So that's your ear just there. You can see how it's not moving at all on there. So yeah, let's go and take a look. I want to see what else comes in the box as well. So go back to here. So here is the box. Let's go and have a look. So I've got a basic instruction booklet and your USB-C charging cable in there as well. See, just in there. It's a nice, simple packaging, which I think is great. As you can see, they're the earbuds just there. So they use the open ear design. So again, this clips onto your outer ear, and that then goes into where your ear is like that. So you can actually hear the music going into your ear. So imagine that's your eardrum just there. So these are really good because it makes sure that you don't live for long periods of time. And like other earbuds, you get pain in your ears. These don't go directly into your ear canal. So they're really, really nice. They feel nice and light. So all around, very impressed with them so far. So we're very keen to do the full review. The Sanag S6 earbuds. Okay, now they also have around 7.5 hours in each earbud and around 30 hours with the case in them. Charging time takes about like 1 to 1.5 hours to charge. They use Bluetooth 5.3 as well, which is good. And they also have high-res